In this video, we are going to factorize 2x³ minus 128. One common mistake students make that they don't take common. So taking 2 firstly as a common, and in the bracket we will get x³ minus 64. 2 remains outside, and here it will become in the bracket x³ minus 4³. This equals 2 into x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 4 square. We have used the algebraic formula a³ minus b³, which equals a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So what we will get, 2 into x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 16. So we have factorized the above algebraic expression to x³ minus 128, taking 2 as a common and applying a³ minus b³ formula.